Take a ride in the 2016 Ford Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, all-wheel drive, anti-lock braking system, power liftgate, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, power passenger seat, traction control, stability control, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, auto-dimming rear view mirror, keyless start, aluminum wheels, floor mats. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.